Okay, good morning. It is Wednesday, the 6th of January, 2021, and this is your literacy lesson. Throughout the lesson, I'm going to ask you to do some activities along with me. I might ask you to write something down, or I might ask you to think of an answer. If you need more time to do these activities, do click pause at the bottom of the video, and that will stop me from talking and moving on while you think about your answer. When you're ready, you can click play again, and then you can join in the lesson. I will give you some time though in the video. Right, let's get started. So before we do start, oops, you are going to need to get your pencils and your notepads out or your books. So I'll just give you a little bit of time to do that. Again, you might want to pause me here while you go and fetch those things if you've not already got them. Okay, so if you've got them now, let's get ready. Today we're going to be looking at spelling some tricky words and using them in sentences. So let's have a look at our first tricky word. This is our first tricky word here. And we're going to look at it first and look at the letters in it. W and an E. And then we're going to say the word we. Your turn. We. Now I'm going to cover it up. And it's your go now. Have a go at writing that word in your books. What letters did we use to spell the word we? Again, you might want to pause me here if you need a little bit more time. I'm going to count slowly to 3. And let's have a look. We is spelled with a W and an E. Did you get it right? If you did, well done. You can give yourself a little tick. If you didn't get it right, don't worry, but correct it now. Pause the video and write the correct spelling next to it. While you're waiting, you might want to think of a way that we can use we in a sentence. We went to the supermarket. We are working from home today. We really love chocolate. Can you think of a sentence with we? Let's look at our next word. Look at it. An H, an E, and an R. The word is her. Her. Let's cover it up and have a go at writing it. Okay, with your pencil, see if you can write the word her in your book. With 3 letters, what were they? Her. If you need to pause for more time, you can do that. Let's have a look. Her. H-E-R. If you got it right, well done, give yourself a tick. If not, pause the video and correct it. Can you think of a sentence that's got her in it? I like her hair. She has a necklace on her neck. Can you think of one? Let's try the next word. She. And it's got a SH digraph that makes the sh sound. She. Let's cover it up. Can you write she in your books? She. See if you got it right. S-H-E. She. Can we put it in a sentence now? She has blue shoes. She is a pirate. She is taller than me. She. Next word. Tricky one, this one sometimes. It's my. M-Y is my. Cover it up. Have a go at writing my in your books. Okay, let's see if you got it right. My. M-Y. My. Can you use my in a sentence? Last week it was my birthday. Do you like my new jacket? Can you think of a word with my? Okay, see there's another one. I don't know if there is. There is. This word is he. H-E. He. Let's cover it up. Have a go at writing it in your books. There were two letters. What were they to make he? Is it right? H-E, he. Give it a tick, or write the correct spelling next to it. And have a think, can you put that word in a sentence? He likes to go swimming. He has a yellow t-shirt. He is my friend. Okay, so this is your task in your books. So if you have a book that looks like this one here, it's got English and a penguin in the middle of it. This is your task today. So you need to find this page, and it is week 1, day 4. So there's a couple of pages before that. We're not doing those pages. I've skipped ahead straight to day 4 to do this activity. And it says, read each sentence. That one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. And then circle the correct spelling of the missing word. So the missing word here is we. We swam to the ship. How do we spell we? Is it W-E or W-I? You could look back in your books to find out. The correct spelling is W-E, we. So circle that word. And then I would like you to have a go at writing that word in the space to practice doing your letters as well. If you want more of a challenge, think of your own sentence like we did before and write your own sentence. You could write it underneath, or you could write it on the lines in your book if you want to, in your blue book. And have a go at the next one. This missing word is her. Her hat fell off. But how do we spell her? Is it this one or this one? Get back in your books, find out, and write the correct spelling here. And again, if you want a bit more of a challenge, write your own sentence underneath or in your books. If you have a booklet that looks like this, a little bit different, your activity is this one. It's on page 2, the first activity in the book. And you're going to be looking at your s, t, a sounds that make sun, tap, and ant. The activities are asking you to look at each picture and circle the word that starts with a s. Which one of these words starts with a s? The same for this one. Tick the box of the fruit that starts with an a. That one, or that one. Which one starts with an a sound? Once you finish that, you can think of some other words that begin with s or a. Have a look around your house. Can you see anything that would begin with a s or an a sound? Maybe you could write them down. Okay, those are your 2 activities, depending on which book you've got. Have a go with them. Get a grown-up to help you if you need to. And once you're done, ask a grown-up to take a picture of it and upload it to Class Dojo so we can have a look and see how well you've gotten on with that. Okay, good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.